On this machine, Mori Seiki with the FANUC 21i series CNC, we're gonna see how to access the maximum speed for each gear, the spindle speed. So we need to go to system. Here are access to NC system, and in parameter you can look for the 3741. If you enter 3741, 3741, you enter the number and hit number search, and it's gonna go to the parameters that you need to check. So the gear number 1, the maximum speed is 251, and the gear number 2, the maximum speed is 700 RPM on the spindle speed. Okay, you see the spindle control here. Thank you.